everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you this super simple, super easy, super delicious, yet nutritious, healthy plant-based recipe, which is, as you can probably see, noodles mixed in with some mushrooms and vegetables. So without further ado, let's get into the video, guys. So the first thing I'm going to do is bring some water to boil, and I'm just adding in some grapeseed oil and some sea salt. Now I'm just going to quickly chop some bell peppers. I'm going to chop some orange bell peppers, and I've also got some frozen bell peppers which I've pre-chopped, which really helps save you time, and then I just store them in these storage bags and freeze them. So yeah, and I'm also going to be doing some organic ginger and some chestnut mushrooms and some spring onion. And did you guys know bell peppers are loaded with antioxidants and essential minerals? Peppers contain vitamin C, and also help to promote eye health, and they reduce risk of several chronic diseases. I'm just chopping up some organic chestnut mushrooms. Mushrooms are packed with important nutrients such as vitamin B, selenium, potassium, and copper. Selenium is an essential trace mineral that assists with cognitive function and also helps fertility as well. It can also help prevent cardiovascular disease and thyroid problems. I'm just chopping up some spring onion as well. Spring onions are a really good source of calcium and vitamin C. Just peeling some ginger, and then I'm just going to grate it with my little grater. Ginger is exceptionally good if you suffer from any nausea, especially morning sickness. So pregnant ladies, thank me later. It can also be used for any stomach problems. It's really good at boosting your immune system. Now just going to take my SPELT noodles. I'm using SPELT, which is an ancient grain, and it's so much more nutritious than modern day wheat, and it's a water soluble grain, so it's much easier to digest. It's also full of essential minerals and nutrients. It contains calcium. It can help with weight management. It can reduce the risk of diabetes. It can also reduce your blood pressure, and it can also improve cholesterol levels. Just using some grapeseed oil, which is high in omega-6 and vitamin E, and we're just going to basically saute our veggies like so. Taking some organic sea salt, and I'm going to be using my favorite seasoning, which is organic cayenne pepper, which is going to leave our noodles with a spicy little kick. This is a really great and quick and easy, simple meal that you can just throw together for your lunch or your dinner. I'm just testing to see if my noodles are soft as they're boiling on the hob. So I just took a little bit to see if it's soft. And once it's soft, you'll know that it's ready. Just tweak the seasonings to your liking, and make sure you do a little taste test to make sure it's seasoned enough. And I've just drained the water from the noodles like so with my little strainer. Now it's time to plate it all up, or bowl it all up, as I'm adding mine to a bowl. We're just going to take our veggies, and they're done sauteing because they're quite nice and brown. And there you have it, guys. Delicious yet nutritious, super good for you, the animals, and the planet. What more could you want, guys? Healing you from a friend, leaving you feeling your very best self. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much. I'll see you in my next upload. Peace and love until next time, guys. Love you.